Okay, let's keep this show rolling along now. Now we should be down to the great state of Ohio. Let's see how much love we got from the state of Ohio. Well, with the last 2 days, well, we had three views. So thanks so much for the three views from the state of Ohio. Hey, you know what? I need you to share this video with three of your friends today, okay? Share with friends and family members on Facebook and Twitter. You can also copy and paste it into an email or a text message. Okay? But thanks so much for the three people who viewed this. You did? Okay. Welcome back to your Cobra Data Science channel, Buckeye Nation. Before we get started, I'm going to give you a special invitation to join me at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for Dave's Data Analytic channel on Twitch. You'll see a link to my Twitch channel below. Of course, also it'd be great if you would subscribe to the Caribou Data Science channel on YouTube. Click on that like button. You find the report helpful. Click on the like button. And finally, click on the share button. Share it with your friends and family. Also, I'll just go ahead and mention that there's a link to my Twitch channel in the description below. So be sure to join me this evening at 8 p.m. on Twitch. Okay. So we look at Ohio now, and what happened is in February this year, February 2021, the governor's office came out and said, "Oops, we undercounted deaths during the fourth quarter by close to 4,000 deaths. But rather than going back and fixing the 2020 numbers, they simply added, as you can see here, on the February 11th, 12th, and 13th. This completely blows the rest of these out of the water. And if that's not enough, the governor in March also decided to only track deaths, COVID-19 deaths, 5 days a week. Of course, the kicker is it apparently isn't always the same 5 days. Now they're still counting cases 7 days a week, but it's not deaths. Okay, so this is what the governor's official numbers look like for this week of for February. What we do is you take those numbers and replace them with the average deaths for each one of these 3 days. You can see this is a much better fit to the other data. Okay. So we got here is Ohio, Buckeye Nation, long declining pattern in terms of deaths in Ohio from COVID-19. Then in July, big spike up, big spike up. So how many of these people are vaccinated? How many of these deaths are Delta variant? I mean, do we really know? Probably not. Uh, as you can see here, you got this long declining pattern. Now, should this be working? Okay, that's all right. I'll just run with it. I'll just keep running right in the background here. So as you can see, cases also show the same declining pattern here. Then followed by a spike up in March or in July. Okay, and this is just weekly cases. Okay, so this concludes the numbers for the state of Ohio for today. Hope to see you folks at the Buckeye State represented on my live stream this evening. Stop by the chat session 8 p.m. on Twitch. Link in the description below. Stop by the chat session this evening and say hi. Okay? Thanks so much. Looking forward to seeing you there.